In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the webcam on Windows 11. So what you need to do is go to your start icon, right click on it, and then go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to privacy and security. And here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see app permissions. And you want to click on camera. Once you've done that, make sure camera access is turned on. And this will essentially turn on your camera. Now what's going to happen is different apps and different programs are going to request access for your camera if they need to. If you want to use the camera, an app is going to request access. For example, if I open up the camera app, it is going to ask for access of the webcam, and I've already given it access because it's already turned on. Here you've got Google Chrome, which has been turned on, but if you've not used your camera yet, you probably won't have any apps here. Now what I would do is scroll down and go to camera device settings. Here you should see your webcam connected. If you can't see it, then your webcam is not even being picked up by your computer, and that is a problem. If you can see it though, and if camera access is turned on, you can go to something like Google Meet or any program or app that wants to use your camera. You can try and use it, and it will then ask for a pop-up asking if you want to give it access. You can then click allow. As long as it's turned on here, then apps will be able to request access and you'll be able to use your camera once you allow it.